Right now, while you're sleeping, scrolling, or stuck in traffic, some people's money is quietly making them richer. No extra hours, no second job, just money working on its own. And if your money is just sitting in a checking account doing nothing, you're leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single year. Today, I'm showing you 10 proven ways to flip the switch and make your money work for you. Hey, I'm Panda. Let's make your money smarter. Number 1, open a high-yield savings account. Most big banks pay you basically nothing, like 0.01% interest. Meanwhile, online high-yield savings accounts pay for 5% or more. Same safety, same FDIC insurance, way more return. Moving your emergency fund here is free money you're currently giving away. Number 2, automate your investing. You don't need to be a stock genius. Set up automatic transfers into an index fund every payday, even $50 a week. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it's how regular people quietly build six-figure portfolios without ever trying to time the market. Number 3, max out your employer for $101,000 match. If your job offers a $401k match and you're not contributing enough to get it, you're rejecting a raise. It's literally free money. Always contribute at least enough to get 100% of the match before doing anything else. Number 4, let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Compound interest means you earn interest on your interest. The earlier you start, the harder your money works. $200 a month, starting at 25, can grow into more than $500,000 by retirement, mostly from growth, not deposits. Number 5, buy dividend-paying stocks. Some companies pay you just for owning their stock. Every quarter, like clockwork, reinvest those dividends and your shares multiply on autopilot. It's one of the oldest get paid while you sleep strategies in investing. Number 6, use a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. A Roth IRA lets your investments grow completely tax-free. You pay taxes now, then never again. Not on the growth, not on withdrawals in retirement. For young earners, this is one of the most underused wealth tools out there. Number 7, rent out what you're not using. Got a spare room, a parking spot, or gear collecting dust in the garage? Platforms make it easy to turn unused stuff into passive income. Your idle assets can literally pay your bills if you let them. Number 8, refinance high-interest debt. If you're paying 20% or more interest on credit cards, your money is working against you. Refinancing or consolidating into a lower rate loan frees up cash that can finally start working for you instead of your lender. Number 9, invest in real estate. Even without buying a house, you don't need a mortgage to invest in real estate anymore. REITs let you invest in real estate for as little as your morning coffee costs, earning rental-style income without ever fixing a toilet. Number 10, build a money tree mindset. The real shift isn't one hack. It's treating every dollar like a seed. Ask before every purchase, is this dollar going to work for me or disappear forever? Small shifts in that mindset compound into massive results over time. Here's the truth. Rich people don't just work hard for money. They make their money work hard for them. Pick even 2 or 3 of these strategies. Start this week, and future you will thank present you. If this helped, hit subscribe. Panda's got a lot more where this came from. See you in the next one.